Hey, it's Bortone, and I want to talk to you about some of the benefits of using video in your marketing. And part of this is that I'm doing a new Create Your Video Marketing Plan 4-week intensive program with includes some done for you and some coaching and step-by-step trainings on how to create your video marketing plan. But before you do that, I want to make sure that you understand some of the benefits or outcomes that video provides. And I've learned this over the last several years, now more than ever, especially in light of the pandemic and social distancing. It's vital to have a video marketing plan. And some of the outcomes, I'll give you a top 10 list of the video outcomes that you get from using video and from participating in this particular video marketing plan program. The first one is that you're going to build know, like, and trust more quickly than you could have ever possibly imagined. Video is absolutely perfect for creating connections and engagement and building know, like, and trust. By the way, what I should have said before I started here was if you want more information about the upcoming program, visit loubortone.com/plan, and that's the page for how to create your video marketing plan. Number two is that you will always be top of mind and become the go-to expert in your niche. And this is a beautiful thing because I have folks I've met years ago call me years later and say, you're still the person I think of when I think of video marketing. You are top of mind, you are the go-to expert. And you want to be that in your niche. You do not want to be the best kept secret in your niche. You want to be top of mind and the go-to person, and creating a video marketing plan and having a video presence will get you there and help you do that. Number three, you will dramatically increase your impact, influence, and income. And this may be the best thing of all, because who doesn't want to have more impact, more influence, and more income? And video is the fastest way to get you there. Number four, video outcome number four is that your online visibility and awareness will skyrocket. Colleagues will say, I see you everywhere. Now I say, I haven't left the house in a year. How can you see me everywhere? I see you on webinars. I see you on videos. I see you on YouTube. I see you on Facebook. I see you on Instagram. I see you everywhere. That's what you want your clients and colleagues and prospects saying about you. And that is an outcome, a direct outcome of video visibility. Again, if you want to check out the video marketing plan program, go to loubortone.com/plan. In the meantime, we will go to video outcome number 5, which is that you will naturally and organically attract the ideal clients you're meant to work with. When you go out there on video, you are putting yourself out there and your personality, and it doesn't matter whether you're an introvert or an extrovert or an ambivert or whatever. You are going to, by doing video, organically attract the ideal clients you're meant to work with. Number 6, video outcome number 6 is that you will have a plan and a purpose for every single video you create. There will be no wasted efforts. When you create your video marketing plan as part of this course, you're going to have a plan and a purpose for every video. You are not just throwing shit against the wall and hoping it sticks. You have a plan and a strategy, and you're following that plan to get your results. Number 7. Oh, what happened to my picture here? My picture went away here. Oh, that's okay. You will find your video sweet spot so that your videos will become so much easier to create. When you find your video sweet spot, and that may be doing quick presentations like this, it may be Facebook Live, it may be YouTube tips. Once you find that sweet spot, it's going to become a lot easier and more streamlined to create your videos. Number 8, and my photo is back, yay. You will discover the tools and resources that make video creation easy and fun. Again, this is all part of the Create Your Video Marketing Plan 4-week program that begins on March 11th. And you can get details for that at loubortone.com/plan. Yet another video outcome or benefit is that you will accelerate your sales process and get more clients more quickly. I have seen this again and again and again with myself and with clients. When you are using video strategically, you are accelerating your sales process and getting more clients more quickly. In fact, one of the reasons I'm doing this program is that it scales better than one-on-one coaching, and I am maxed out with one-on-one consulting clients right now. So again, visit loubortone.com/plan to get all the details about this program. And we have one last video outcome, and that is that you will learn the magic of video outreach so that your sales become simple. Video outreach is any way you use video on a personal one-to-one level to follow up or engage with your clients or prospects or colleagues, such as video email, things like Dub or Warm Welcome or Loom. You can use these tools to create personalized one-on-one video outreach, which is very powerful, and it really helps your sales cycle. So these are just a few of the video outcomes and benefits that you can enjoy when you participate in the Create Your Video Marketing Plan program that begins soon. Details are at loubortone.com/plan. It includes coaching, a coaching session, as well as the group coaching sessions. It includes me professionally editing your homepage video, and it includes me doing a logo reveal animation for you. So all that stuff together would be well over $1,200. This course is just $497. Check it out at loubortone.com/plan, and I hope to see you there. Space is definitely limited. We're only letting 10 folks in, and four or five of the spots are gone. So jump in and we'll see you there. Thank you and good night.